SIP Equipment Production Line. Product Introduction. Core Board EPS, XPS board. Face Panel Angle Board OSB board, Calcium Silicate board, etc. We have various equipment design solutions to meet customer requirements. Full automatic panel loading machine. Full automatic glue coating machine with exquisite appearance and stable and efficient equipment performance. Full automatic turning and laminating machine. Full automatic mechanical palletizer. Automatic production line that automatically enters the cold press and applies 50 tons of pressure. Product applications. Interior and exterior walls and roofs of buildings. Features such as aesthetics and fast construction efficiency, short building cycle, etc. Our company sells this equipment to many countries, including Iran, Egypt, the United States, and Canada.